Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. Time to play with this new Brinly 54-inch yard sweeper. This sucker is all put together, and even though we're not quite into summer yet, we're not even into spring really, I do have some leftover leaves here along the side that have blown in from the wooded area, and I figured why not? Let's try this thing out. Let's give it a shot and see what it does. I've got it set, if you come down here and take a closer look, I've got it set to the leaf position number 8. That's where we're going to give it a try today, and we'll see what it does. And then later on in the summer, when the grass is growing thick and strong, well, we'll see how well it collects grass clippings as well. Let's do it. All right, well, I'm going to kick this back. All right, well, I've got it kicked back here, and we are ready to go on up the hill with it. Let's do it. See if I can get you in there. There we go. Pretty cool. I like it. Well, that'll do it for part 2. Clearly a nice little product from Brinly. They don't really make bad stuff, but this is certainly not anything that would be something to pass, you know? I mean, it works. And what we're gonna use it for is grass collection. So I look forward, once the grass starts growing, to giving you that long-term follow-up. That'll do it for today, my friends. I'll see you next time. Take care.